Hey everyone, it's Kennison here, and we are out at Montrose Regional Airport today. We're here to do some plane spotting since it is the first day of winter ski flights here at Montrose. With Telluride's ski resort being so close by, we become a big destination for more commercial flights in the winter. So we got Southwest, American, United, and Delta. One big thing I think people maybe get confused on is none of these are charter flights. We do get ski charter flights here, and we get charters for other things throughout the year. But these are not ski charters. These are regularly scheduled flights, and most of them run from now through April while ski season is going on. So, but anyway, now that I have that cleared up, let's do some plane spotting. That about does it for the opening day of ski season. So as you can see, it's pretty busy for a regional airport this time of year, and really today only skims the surface of really what it's like for most of the year, especially January. January is very busy. As you, I'm sure, have seen, the scenery around this airport is some of probably the best in the country. I mean, the backdrops for the airplane's fantastic. So that's part of what makes photographing airplanes out here fun. And a lot of this out here I don't do for money. I just do it for fun. And I started watching and photographing airplanes out here several years ago, and it's just it's fun to do. It's a good way to kill some time on an afternoon. Yeah, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time. God bless.